In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for character consistency and storytelling. Whether you're a budding novelist or a scriptwriter looking to enhance your character development, this tutorial will guide you through crafting compelling and consistent characters using ChatGPT. Let's dive into the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results. And you're looking for the official ChatGPT website. Clicking on the website's link will take you directly to the platform where you'll be crafting your story. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to get creative. Start by typing a prompt into the ChatGPT input box. Here's an example to get you started. You are a master storyteller. Your task is to write a chapter in my novel. Detective Miles Corbin, a jaded investigator burdened by his past, conducts a terse, smoke-filled interview with a reluctant witness whose story may unravel more than just the case at hand. By setting the scene this way, you're giving ChatGPT a clear direction and context for the story development. After you've crafted your prompt, go ahead and click Submit. ChatGPT will generate a response based on the scene you've set. But remember, character development is an ongoing process. To keep Detective Corbin consistent in your narrative, follow up with another prompt. You might say, in the next scene, when Miles Corbin speaks, make sure his dialogue is consistent with his established persona, cynical, direct, and avoiding emotional language. With the new prompt in place, don't forget to click Submit once more. This will assure that ChatGPT is keeping in line with the characteristic nuances you've specified. The aim is to produce dialogue and scenarios that reflect the character's traits accurately throughout the story. One pro tip to consider while using ChatGPT for storytelling is to regenerate responses often. If you notice the AI drifting from the established character personality, don't hesitate to have it try again. You can prompt with something like, regenerate that last response, but ensure the dialogue aligns with their shy personality and southern accent. This not only helps in maintaining character consistency, but also refines the narrative to suit your vision. By taking these steps and employing these strategies, you'll be able to harness the power of ChatGPT to create engaging and consistent characters in your stories. Embrace the process as an ongoing dialogue between you and the AI, and let your creativity flourish as you see your characters come to life on the page. Happy writing!